Hi guys, welcome to the second part of this video. In this part of the video, I'm going to test the Wi-Fi connection between the extenders and the internet. So this time around, I'm not going to use the Ethernet cable. I'm just going to use regular Wi-Fi, connect to my laptop, connect to the internet, and then we'll see how the two extenders go. That's the EX80 and the EX8000 from Netgear. Thank you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test the connections using Wi-Fi. So I'm going to disconnect the LAN cable. And bear in mind, this laptop only has a Wi-Fi 5 adapter. So the Wi-Fi 6 functionality of this route extender will not work for this laptop. So this is just a test for Wi-Fi 5 connection. Oh yeah, it's already connected, so that's great. So I'm going to run this one more time. It's sat right next to the laptop, so this should give it some stronger connection. So the first one is 180. This just shows how much better LAN connection is compared to Wi-Fi, even though both are just right next to each other. So one more time, see where we go. It's 170 on Wi-Fi 5, 170. Just gonna check to see that I am on 5 gigahertz, because the 2.4 gigahertz may 5 gigahertz. Yes, I'm on 5 gigahertz, so that's fine. Run it one more time, see what the result would be. So 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection between EX8000 and I think we have some consistency here. So I'm just gonna find the average straight away of these numbers. So it's about 180 megabits per second. That's more than sufficient for 4K streaming. So I'm gonna pause the video, restart the EX80, and then do something similar over Wi-Fi. But that will be limited to Wi-Fi 5 because this laptop does not work for Wi-Fi 6. I've got another laptop which I'll be using to test for Wi-Fi 6 connection. Okay, so the EAX80 has just finished booting up. So I'm gonna enable wireless connection, and hopefully, yeah, that's connected. So I'm gonna test the wireless speed for the EX80. So that's 83 megabits per second. Let's try one more time. Let's refresh from here. Second one is 85 megabits per second. I'm gonna try it one more time. (100 megabits per second). So as you can see from this test, it appears the older, again the older EX8000, which is the smaller of the two extenders, provides better speeds, quite in good range as well. Due for the last test is I will use a Wi-Fi 6 laptop to test the speeds from the two extenders. So guys, that's the main router connected to Vodafone fiber to the premises. Oh, sorry, that is the EAX80 tri-band Wi-Fi 6 router. So guys, so this is the Wi-Fi 6 enabled laptop. So what I'm gonna do now is turn on the Wi-Fi. This does not have a LAN connection, so I'm gonna turn on the Wi-Fi, and the laptop should connect to the router, connect to the newer of the two router, which is the EAX80. So it's connected. So I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to fast.com to check the speed via over Wi-Fi 6. As you can see, there's a considerable difference. Over Wi-Fi 6, that's 290. So Wi-Fi 6 EX80 first attempt is 290 megabits per second. So I'm gonna try it 2 more times. Oh, that's faster. Let's drop in. That's 370. So the second attempt is 370 megabits per second. Let's try it one more time. Consistency. Oh, 370 bang on again. So 370 megabits per second. So I'm just gonna do the average over these numbers. So that's 340. That's 343 megabits per second. So that is the average Wi-Fi 6 connection from the EX80 extender. Okay, so I've now turned on the EX8000. As you can see, that's now on. The EX80 is switched off. As you can see, there's no LED indication on. Once again, I'm going to turn on the Wi-Fi connection on the laptop, just to ensure that it's connected to the router. And once that's connected, we'll see the indication right at the bottom corner. Okay, that's good. It's connected. So let's try fast.com again. Wow, that is really, and that is through a Wi-Fi connection, by the way. That's 620 megabits per second. That's 620 megabits per second. Let's try that again and see what the average over 3 attempts would be. Oops, that's really high. That's 710. That's 720 megabits per second. That's 720 megabits per second over Wi-Fi. One more time. That's 720 megabits per second. Again, that's 720 megabits per second. So let's average that out. Pardon me, equals average of these numbers. So again, average of those numbers. So there we have it. So that is the summary of the test. As you can see, for all tests conducted, the EX8000 outperforms the EAX80. I appreciate this is not scientific. This is just the setup in my house at the moment. I should add that everyone is gone to bed. It's already almost 11 o'clock, just to make sure that the bandwidth is not being shared by any devices in the house. Okay folks, so it appears that the EX8000 remains a very good performer to the average house. I at the moment currently don't have a lot of Wi-Fi 6 devices in the house, so the full potentials of a Wi-Fi 6 extender is not being realized. If you have a lot of Wi-Fi 6 devices in your house, then the EAX80 would be the better option for overall speed across all devices, just because of the way Wi-Fi 6 works. If you don't have a lot of Wi-Fi 6 devices in your house, there is no pressing need to upgrade just yet. I hope this video helps in making a decision. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you at the next one. Cheers.